Manisha Gupta, Currencies Editor, joins us right now for a quick word. Manisha, every day a fresh low, though it's off from the lows of the day, I believe. But what's happening? I mean, you go everywhere. Everybody's talking about currency and talking about newer levels. People talking about 56, 58. The pessimists talking about 62.
Well, just to give you a sense, there was somebody talking about 70 as well, but those are really far away numbers, Neeraj. As of now, RBI would want to defend that 55 level, but we have seen very sharp declines in the last 3 days. Today is the third day of record lows for the Indian rupee. We have seen lows like 54.83, just about trading around those levels at this point in time. Well, you have to see that the global risk assets are putting pressure. If you look at the dollar index, that's holding around 81.6, 0.25% of an increase coming in for the dollar index. So that is where the pressure is coming in from. In the Indian markets also, if you look at the bid-sell difference, that also has widened quite a bit. That really shows you that the forex markets are jittery right now. And while RBI has been taking lots of steps, have been intervening into the markets, people feel that it is 6 months too late. And the kind of situation we are right now, it would take a couple of months to get out from this one. So as of now, 55 is what people are watching out for. 56 is something that is expected in the couple of months. The bearish bets continue on the higher side. Yesterday they were at 6-month highs. Today they are at a 7-month highs. So that really tells you that the rupee is vulnerable for further decline.
Right. Yesterday we were getting a perspective, Manisha, on how perhaps, the RBI can do only a bit to stem the fall at this juncture, because there's so much speculative pressure in the market as well. What's, when you talk around with people, what's the sense that you're getting on the central bank's role in this fall?
Well, they have been intervening directly, and they have taken steps in sense of interest rates on FCNR. They also have told exporters to convert 50% of earnings. And what they also could do is, one major concern coming in right now is that you have big oil import payments coming in for the month of June. So they really could be opening the taps for direct dollar sales to these state-owned oil companies. That is one thing that markets really are looking forward to. And apart from that, you need to do bigger reforms is what most of those analysts on RBI and others would tell you for that. Apart from that, there also could be some curbs coming in for the futures markets as far as currency futures are concerned. So these are 2 or 3 things that markets are eyeing for. Apart from that, it's really vulnerable. There's no support really coming in for the Indian rupee at this current juncture.